Picking an antivirus can be a daunting task. With so many options available, it can be difficult to know which one is best fit for your needs. Here are some things to consider when picking an antivirus. Reputation. Look for an antivirus with a good reputation. Do some research and read reviews from trusted sources to get an idea of how well the antivirus has performed for other users. Features. Consider what features are important to you. Do you need antivirus software that includes a firewall or just basic virus protection? Make a list of features you need to use it to narrow down your options. Compatibility. Make sure the antivirus is compatible with your operating system and any other software you use. Cost. Determine your budget and look for an antivirus that fits within it. Keep in mind that free antivirus software may not offer the same level of protection. Support. Consider the level of support offered by the antivirus. Is there a customer support team available? By taking the time to consider these factors, you can find the antivirus that is the best fit for your needs, will provide the protection you need to keep your device safe from viruses and other threats.
Thank you for watching. Please feel free to browse our website for much more video tutorials on everyday tasks. Smarter every day at RTFM.